Hello everyone. I hope all of you are well today. Today I am going to tell you about augmented reality. So let's start the video. Now the question is, what is augmented reality? So basically the augmented reality, AR, is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities, including visual, auditory, haptic, somatosensory and olfactory. AR can be defined as a system that incorporates three basic features: a combination of real and virtual worlds, real-time interaction, and accurate 3D registration of virtual and real objects. Augmented reality alters one's ongoing perception of a real-world environment, whereas virtual reality completely replaces the user's real-world environment with a simulated one. Augmented reality is related to two largely synonymous terms: mixed reality and computer-mediated reality. For your better understanding, I am going to show you a video clip about augmented reality.
Augmented reality, or AR, is a bit different. Instead of transporting you to a virtual world, it takes digital images and layers them on the real world around you. This is done through the use of either a clear visor or a smartphone. So with VR, you could explore a world full of dinosaurs. But with AR, you could see those dinosaurs moving through the world around you.
I hope this video clip helped you understand about augmented reality. And now the question rises that augmented reality and virtual reality are same? So the answer is no, because AR uses a real-world setting while VR is completely virtual. AR users can control their presence in the real world, VR users are controlled by the system. VR requires a headset device, but AR can be accessed with a smartphone. AR enhances both the virtual and real world while VR only enhances a fictional reality. And now, what are the examples of augmented reality? It's only a matter of time before this technology becomes a part of our everyday lives. We're not quite there yet, but a few companies and organizations are making great strides with this technology today. Here are some examples of augmented reality. IKEA mobile app. The game Pokémon Go. Neurosurgery. Google Glass. Snapchat lenses. What is the use of augmented reality? So here are some interesting augmented reality uses and examples from real life. 1. Medical training now makes use of AR. Augmented reality is now used in medical training. Its applications range from MRI applications to performing highly delicate surgery. 2. F-35 helmets use AR. Not only is the F-35 a very expensive fighter plane, a single pilot's helmet alone costs $400,000. These helmets are specially designed to overlay AR features like real-time footage from the fighter's external cameras directly into the pilot's field of view. 3. Games like Pokémon Go make good use of AR. Pokémon Go still has its die-hard fans. But the main part of this game's appeal was the way it combined the real world with favorite Pokémon characters. This is the very definition of augmented reality and a fun. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it.